A very good and windy afternoon. Dutch bike blogger here on my way to home. And it's blowing like crazy. The wind has picked up from the east. And I have it right in the face. Not very enjoyable, I have to tell you. Busy day at work, but we managed. And now 2 days of weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I have not planned anything at all. Just taking it slow. What I am going to do though is going through two shopping mall Paddepoel, where they have a still continuing dispute whether or not you are a member of the VVE, Vereniging van Eigenaren. It's a joint venture of owners. You have to pay contribution. There's a bike shop, Paddepoel fietsen, which had a little bit of problems with the VVE, the owners. They had some fines because they were not open at a certain time. Well, that's jolly nice. Somebody who accelerates when you want to go past. 9 out of 10 people step on the brake. This is the only good way to do. Only good way to handle. Well, it's a short ride through the Paddepoel shopping mall. I can assure you it's cold, and I can assure you it's wind is blowing quite hard. Feels like it's below zero. It probably isn't. It feels like it. Good. But despite the cold and despite the wind, there's no need to stand still. So step on the pedals. I think my movie from yesterday was the shortest time I got from home to work. I really pushed on, mainly because I was a little late. We have a red light. Thank you. Have to wait to turn green. And it's green and we're going. Geit. En achter een auto vandaan met een karretje. Stupid idiot. Well, I'm gonna switch you off for a moment. See you in the next 10 minutes or so. And we're back again, going home. It's about the time I said, 10 minutes or so. Going back home. Going back home with the rest of the Netherlands. 5 o'clock, half 6, 5:30 I mean, going home with everybody else. Busy, 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 busy. Well, in front of me the remains of the UWV. UWV is this, UWV is not correct. Oh, cars, damn it. Drive behind these ones. Well, there's not really much left here. Actually a little bit sad. Pile of rubble, steel and other stuff. I've been in that building many times. Been there when het nog het GAK was, en UWV. Once been there while I was sick, I had to report or something, I don't know. One time I was there to, I think I had an appointment for a job. And also been there a few times with some documents about unemployment. It's unemployment benefit, not number 40. UB40, the group stands for Unemployment Benefit Form 40, aka UB40. Group members of UB40 were unemployed, had to report, had this form with a code on it, UB40, and that's why the band name was named. Just like the band U2 was named after the U2 spy plane, which was shot down over Russia, piloted by Francis Gary Powers. Some info, not useful, but info. It's a cold day. In my lunch break I was outside, but I had a half-hour lunch break, In 10 minutes I was really inside, way too cold to be outside. And now I have to be outside, wearing my hat, my beanie and my gloves. And still a cold face. And it's uphill from here, which is not very nice actually. It does take a lot of effort. But when I'm getting home I am able to relax. Just a relaxing day. And tomorrow I will go to the grocery shop. When I was earlier, I would have been earlier normal shift from 8 till half 3, 14:30. I would have gone to the supermarket, but now it being late and all the people having the same destination, I'm not going. I'm going tomorrow if possible. Otherwise I will go on a Sunday if possible. Well, I made it across the road. Cars, buses. But like I said in earlier videos, I'd rather have the cold and dry than a little bit warmer and rain. Rain sucks the most. I can put on more layers of clothes for the cold, and I do the same with it when it's raining. It's not very useful, only can wear a rain suit, but it's very cumbersome warm. And you get as wet in the inside as the outside, so really no use for that. I'm going to make a few tight turns here, just to be in the vicinity of, oh shit, thought I was going on the slope, but I didn't. A little bit off by half a meter or so. Now I have to jump over the sidewalk, the curbstones. Well, at least they can hear you with your bike. Jesus Christ almighty, what a big sound in there, man. Mama. Hi. Making a turn to the right, and let's see what street name this is. No street name on here. Oh wow. That's not cool. Ah, there is a sign, let me see. Baliestraat. Alright. And now we're out on the Korrewegwijk again. frequent viewer should know where I am at the moment, facing the roundabout. Wind in my face again, really not nice. Oh, that's a small backpack in front of me. Almost collided, idiot in front of me. Dat ging net goed, of niet?
Ja, gewoon wel.
Bij de rotonde. No clue that he didn't give right away. Even stoppen, lig eronder. En ik brak hem door namelijk. So, almost home. Thanks for watching. Please see you next time. Well, that's not nice. Big van. Not able to see what's going on. Well, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if any questions, please do so in the comment section below. And have a nice day.